million. This party kind of 150. Don't make me hurt your feelings. Same old game, just a different day. Got some older leaders, and they on the way. And get it, and get it. And get it, and get it.
So state champion 2011 division, Derita Bulldogs. Listen up. Hey, we want to thank the Hurricanes, you know what I'm saying, for all the competition and support y'all gave us, you know what I'm saying, everything that y'all brought, you know what I'm saying, everything. We want to thank the Hurricanes for y'all fans, y'all organization. Yeah, coach. Like y'all gonna be here for a long time, man. Don't be disappointed. Don't be disappointed. Y'all got a long way to go. Y'all got a great organization, man. We want to give you a